what's up? We came to this town called Irwin. All the trees have these little knitted blankets around them, but also that one over there across the street too. Also, just like all the light poles and stuff, and that bench. Not really sure why. It's pretty weird. Rock on. Trying to make our way down to the river, which is down here somewhere. Found this weird structure.
Whoa.
No idea what it is really.
It's got like screws in it.
Oh yeah. Weird. Alright, we had to drive, but we found a way down to the river that is easy. Alright, if you haven't seen this this game, what is it called? Perplexus?
Mm-hmm.
It's pretty fun.
Oh, that's a good idea. Like putting it on the base and twisting around like that.
I don't know if it would work.
Let's try it. Hold on. Let me go to my checkpoint.
Sometimes you gotta get a full like 360.
Yeah, you're right. It's easier just to...
I just realized you're taking a movie and indulging in Superman. Just shaking, just constant.
It's good background noise for this close up of.
It's an ASMR video.
For sure. Yeah.
I'm surprised that's not like a subcategory of ASMR yet.
What? Like,
Like potato chip batter?
Just chips.
I can make it a thing.
That's how we're gonna make our first.
Haven't filmed much today, so I don't know what is gonna come of this vlog. Oh, it's really windy now right when I try. But yeah, I might just do a little nature walk film while we walk around. We got the whole squad. A couple of Rachel and Robert's friends from college came, so just going for a walk around.
Have you been watching it climb? It hasn't moved the muscle, it's just riding on it. It's so very efficient.
His friend was coming to visit him, and then it came out, it was like, he had no idea, but it turned out he was like, and he's like, to his credit, he's like, I am no longer, like, I told him to never leave.
I want to climb this bridge, but they won't let me. My idea is to have my feet on that bottom part and my hands and like upper body on this part. And I think I could do it, but I got vetoed.
I think he's really fast while he's riding a bike.
Robert just found this. Oh, it won't focus. Come on. There we go. Robert just found this 4-leaf clover. I didn't actually know they existed, so that's pretty cool.
My dream job, but I'm
This is an
underqualified for it, and I
insane
make
amount of
way
food.
too much money to complain about it, so.
The food
there's
just
so much
keeps
food.
on coming.
It's unbelievable.
Yeah, it's an insane amount of food here. You can't even really tell how big this is, but it's a lot. Alright, so it's the next day now. Didn't film a lot yesterday. Just happens when we're all hanging out. Everyone is catching up and stuff, because we don't actually get to see each other all too often. It's kind of weird that I had just seen Hank like a month ago or whatever, because he hasn't been here and seen Rachel and Robert in like a year and a half, I think. So it's just everyone catching up. Stayed up until like 3 a.m. last night talking after we went to dinner. That's the last thing I filmed, I think, is dinner. So yeah, I just didn't want to upload the vlog at like 4 a.m. or something like that, obviously. So I just didn't vlog too much after that, and I went to bed at 3:30. I keep changing the lighting. I should probably just stand still. It's hard for me to stand still when I'm talking. But yeah, it's been pretty fun. It's like 11 now. Everyone's still sleeping, I think. I'm the only one, or not the only one, but Hank and Katie got drunk last night, and I don't drink, obviously, so it's easier for me to wake up. But yeah, don't know what we're gonna get up to today, but I'll probably just keep my vlogs a day behind for now, like I did at Mardi Gras. It's just a lot easier when stuff is going on late into the night, and I'll be able to film more, I guess. Yeah, just things that happen past like 9 o'clock when I usually edit and upload the vlog. So yeah, thanks for watching. Peace out.